In SPSS, we can sort our data based on one or more variables. In this tutorial, we'll show you two methods for sorting data in SPSS. The first method is for sorting data based on a single variable, and the second method sorts data based on multiple variables. For example, sorting students first by major and then by gender. Note that sorting data in SPSS permanently changes the order of the rows. To restore the original order later, we need to include a unique identifier for each case, such as a student ID. Let's start with the quickest method, sorting by one variable only. Our dataset contains the exam scores of 60 hypothetical students along with their gender, major, and ID number. In the data view, we right-click on the variable name we want to use for our sort, in our case, exam score, and choose either sort ascending or sort descending. In this example, we want the records for the students with the highest exam scores to appear first, so we select sort descending. SPSS now displays our data sorted such that the students with the highest exam scores appear first. All the values in each row remain together during sorting. This means that each student's information stays correctly matched. For example, the row with ID 1 still shows the gender as male, the major as sociology, and the exam score as 81. The second method lets us sort our data on multiple variables. To do this, we go to the Data menu and select Sort Cases. This opens the Sort Cases dialog box you see on screen. Then we move the first variable we want to sort on, in our case it's major, and move it to the Sort By box. By default, SPSS sorts in ascending order, so we can see an A after the variable name. You can change it to descending if needed, and SPSS will display D after the variable name. Then we select our second sorting variable, which is gender in our example. We're going to select descending order. We can add more sorting variables if needed, but we're going to stick to 2. If we want to keep the original dataset unchanged, we can check the Save File with Sorted Data box. Then click the File button to save the sorted version under a new name. Finally, we click OK. SPSS has sorted our data so that the records for students in the economics major appear first, then political science, then sociology. Within each major, male students appear first because we selected descending order for the gender variable. Well, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.